The Fluke 3000 FC GM Multimeter stands out as a rugged, professional-grade meter designed for demanding general maintenance work in industrial and commercial environments. Its wireless connectivity and integration with the Fluke Connect mobile application make it easy to view live readings on a smart device while keeping a safe distance from energized equipment. The meter can act as a central hub, displaying measurements from multiple remote modules at once, which streamlines complex troubleshooting tasks and reduces the need to move probes repeatedly. Being able to log data over time and capture intermittent faults without standing at the panel is a major advantage for diagnosing elusive problems. The ShareLive-style remote viewing and collaboration features let technicians and engineers see the same measurements in real time, improving team communication and reducing callbacks. Overall, the combination of solid Fluke build quality, flexible wireless modules, and smart device integration makes this multimeter an excellent choice for technicians who want to modernize their test setup.